What's up, guys? This is Jordan Savage, QC's very own in-house crypto expert. Guys, today I'm going to be talking about Bitcoin, the future of money, cryptocurrency, what it is, and how you can get involved with DCX package at I Am Mastery Academy. Guys, I've been involved in the crypto market now for 3 years, and things are going great, to say the least. Right now, especially in January of 2021, the crypto market is at all-time highs. Guys, these are trends that many people have been predicting, like myself, for years, that these sort of markets and technology are really going to shape the future and really disrupt the current financial systems we have. So, guys, I'm super excited to be presenting to you guys today what it is that we have in the DCX Academy, how you can take advantage of this information, and how you can start learning about the future of money and taking advantage of that information by, maybe making some bread or doing what you want to do with that information. Right, guys? So let's get right into it. Let's hop in. Guys, if you are brand new and you've never heard of cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, Ethereum, welcome. This is probably one of the most perfect times that you could be entering into this industry, guys. We right now are in a massive cycle of growth and it has just begun. 2020 was a monumental year for cryptocurrency as a whole, creating the lows at $4,000 after a crash from the coronavirus scare on all markets, right? And now we've rallied to all-time highs leading into 2021. Guys, I'm very, very bullish on the industry as a whole and where we are going. I believe learning about this right now is learning about the future of money, right? And guys, that's what we're here to teach you how to do, how to become wealthy, right? How to understand these things. And like I said, how to take advantage, right? And so coinmarketcap.com is going to be your number one resource in cryptocurrency of just checking the market, right? And as you can see here, you have the top cryptocurrencies ranked here by market cap, and you're able to see the performance each coin has had, or for example, over the last 24 hours and 7 days. You can see the market cap, the volume, and the supply, right? And if you're noticing what I'm noticing, there is a lot of green on the top cryptocurrencies. The market is performing spectacularly right now, right? And so, guys, I want to show you Bitcoin because Bitcoin is where it all really starts. When we're giving you an introduction to the world of cryptocurrency, we have to start at Bitcoin, right? And so I want to show you kind of the history of Bitcoin, right? This is a price chart from Bitstamp. Bitcoin was created in 2009. It started really trading and having data for us to look at around here in the end of 2011, right? And this is the price chart of Bitcoin over the past 8 years, right? This is all of Bitcoin, guys. Bitcoin is a very new asset. It's the best performing asset of the last decade, right? And I'll show you why. You can see Bitcoin has particularly cycles. It has these cycles of growth and cycles of consolidation, and they all coincide with a very important thing that happens in Bitcoin. If you've ever studied the Federal Reserve, you already know exactly what I'm about to talk about, right? And if you haven't, just look up what the Federal Reserve is and how it operates, guys. So most traditional money that we have, fiat is inflationary, meaning that they create more of it every year, thus diluting the value of it every year. Bitcoin is the exact opposite. Bitcoin has a fixed supply at 21 million, and it behaves similarly to gold. You have to mine it. And the thing about Bitcoin is it's mined through computers and it's all predetermined, meaning that we know how much Bitcoin is being made at every single second. Today, right now, there's about 900 Bitcoin being made per day, right? And so we understand that by these halvings, right? And so every 4 years when Bitcoin was first launched, they made 50 Bitcoin every 10 minutes. And so every 4 years, that number is cut in half. And this was the first time that number got cut in half in 2012. And as we can see here, there's an extreme correlation between these halvings and growth cycles in the cryptocurrency market, especially Bitcoin, right? And Bitcoin leads the market, guys. Bitcoin dominates over 70% of the market today. So the first time we saw that happen in 2012, we saw an over 10,000% increase in Bitcoin and the price over 14 months. We then followed that from December 13 to July of 2016, right? Almost 2.5 years of consolidation before we got another halving You know, this is from Bitcoin being cut from 50 to 25, 25 now to 12 and a half. And every time this halving gets cut in half, guys, think about this. If they are making less of something and people want it and continue to want it because they're going to continue to learn about it, what it is, how it works, right? The adoption of a technology just naturally goes up over time. When they create less of it, it creates more demand. It is simple economics 101, right? And so these cycles, again, when they cut the supply coming out in half, right, the price rallied again. And this time it rallied over 18 months, 4,000% to the high of 19,700. This right here, guys, is when I got involved in cryptocurrency, right at the end of this bull run here, right? And we created the highs. And I've been studying and learning about the market ever since in this consolidation period. But in this consolidation period, we had this last consolidation period to predict the fact that, you know, it could be a couple years of consolidation, but Bitcoin, when it cuts that supply in half again, it's probably going to rally. And the supply got cut in half again this year in May of 2020, right? And that's why so many people like myself have been really calling and putting a lot of faith and talking a lot about and really taking advantage of and putting our money where our mouth is and investing into crypto this summer, because we understood that these cycles happen every 4 years and we're in the middle of one of those cycles. One thing I want to point out, guys, is that it's not too late, right? These cycles create Bitcoin to levels that are unheard of from the previous cycle. Last time we went to 1,000. We went from a minimum of $2.40 to 1,000. Then we went from $162 to 19,000, almost 20. The last time Bitcoin, you could have got Bitcoin at 3,000 again this March and about 3,000, 4,000. And so where's this high going to be, right? I have my predictions here. Guys, just basing that on a very reasonable conservative estimate of what we've done in the past. But this time around, guys, this time around, it's very different. This time around, we have gotten institutional sponsorship. Grayscale right now is offering a fund for institutions and big money to get their hands on Bitcoin. This fund is doing very well. They are accumulating so much Bitcoin and Ethereum. PayPal is accumulating Bitcoin. PayPal now lets you buy and sell cryptocurrencies. Square, another company that is investing a lot of their money into crypto. And guys, this is a trend that is going to continue. That is going to continue. Institutional crypto investments are only going to continue, guys. These are something that is happening every single day. You can read the news and remember, guys, they only make 900 Bitcoin a day. These institutions are buying it by the thousand. This market is exploding. People are understanding that the dollar fiat currencies do not store value. They're inflationary. The amount of money that they are going to print this year is going to be more. They have said it over and over and over again that they're going to continue to print money, and we are going to continue to see the devaluation of the dollar, which definitely creates price pressure for Bitcoin to go upwards, right? Because Bitcoin is that hedge, it's a store of value. And guys, this is just the introduction. This is just the beginning to things that you're going to be learning in the Crypto Academy here at iMarkets Live. I Am Academy, right? And these things this is information that can change your life, right? Information changes situations, guys. This information completely changed my life. Learning about cryptocurrency, learning about understanding just the ins and outs and why this stuff is so important. And the fact that, you know, I don't want to accumulate dollar bills. I want to accumulate Bitcoin. I want to accumulate assets that I know are going to grow and appreciate over time. Guys, there's only 21 million Bitcoin. They're never making any more of it, right? By 2140, 99% will be mined. By 2040, it will all be gone, right? So in order to learn and understand more about these things, guys, this is just the beginning. You know, I spend a lot of time here diving through these academies. The Digital Currency Academy we have here is an amazing, amazing academy. It is built by our very own in-house trade house team. Zachary Hogan absolutely went in on these videos. the amount of information and how he breaks it down, guys. He breaks it down so simply, just understanding the basic concepts you need to know to get involved in cryptocurrency, to understand what is going on, to understand the terminology, right? This academy is set up here for you to come in here not knowing really little to nothing about cryptocurrency, to get introduced, to start learning the basic concepts, to start working with the technology, the terminology, right? And in order to build you up to the point where you can be attending live classes and webinars where people are crypto investing, where people are talking about different projects, where people are exchange trading, where people are actually making the moves in the cryptocurrency market. And you can learn how to do this from one of our professional cryptocurrency educators. Guys, this platform, I'm so excited. If you're familiar with the FRX platform and IM Academy, you've known that it's been growing at an exponential rate, right? Because this information really does work and it really changes situations. And it's so exciting to see the people that have even studied on this academy, mastered the information, changed their lives, and then able to become an educator and then change other people's life. It's proof in the pudding. I've seen students of this academy become educators on this academy, right? That is a goal of mine. I'm a student of this academy, and my goal one day is to be an educator here on DCX, right? This is the current DCX lineup you have. You have Jason Brown, Chairman 750, soon to be Chairman 1 million, right? And he is running a Wednesday webinar every single week about the future of crypto. Guys, I would not miss that. That information, learning from someone who has a very, very big crypto portfolio, someone who's done very well, someone who's hodled, and someone who's been involved in the industry that we're in for a long time, and hearing his perspective, it's amazing. Curtis Cobain, he is a master of altcoins. This guy's swing trading altcoins. This guy's helping you switch the bag from Bitcoin to altcoin, something you'll learn more about. But this guy is a beast. He's one of the best in the world. Ivan Paychex does a very special podcast where he invites different leaders from the company to talk about the world of crypto, right? It's a very laid back, it's a very enjoyable thing. It's just like Joe Rogan, but it's the Joe Rogan of IM, and we're talking about cryptocurrency. Those are lit, guys. Check them out. Crypto Picasso, the one and only. Guys, this guy is one of the best crypto traders in the world. He's been trading crypto for, I believe, over 8 years now. Right, guys, crypto's only been around for about 8 years, right? So he's one of the early adopters of cryptocurrency, of Bitcoin, and he's amazing at what he does. He's one of the best traders, guys. He calls out trades all the time for the team, for the family, within Swipecoin. He shows you how it works. He shows you why he does what he does on the episode, so you can duplicate the success, not just rely on him. And then we have Nick Gomez doing Crypto 101, and the man for XRP. This is your guy right here, Nick Gomez. He's doing Crypto 101 sessions 3 times a week, guys. So there's so much value here. There's so much knowledge going on, and really to take advantage of this is to be taking advantage of the future of money from people who have been taking advantage of it, who have been profiting, who had had success in the crypto markets, right, guys? And so these are the things that are offered here at IM Academy with the DCX package. Guys, I'm excited for you. I'm excited for us, for Quantum Creations, the family, right? Oh my gosh, I almost forgot, right? I almost forgot. Last thing I have to show you guys is our very own QC Crypto Familia. Guys, this chat is absolutely insane. The amount of value that's being dropped here on a consistent daily basis, it blows my mind, right? We have some of the best traders here all talking about the market. Johnny Cuevas the other day, got a shout out to him, my man. He called out an Ethereum buy that, or he called out a Bitcoin buy that a lot of people profited on. I'm pulling it up right now for you guys to show you past results don't guarantee future results. But guys, when you got the whole fam tapped in, looking at what's going on right here, John's like, we're looking at Bitcoin, right? Past results don't guarantee future ones. And I scrolled all the way through it, all the people, these were all the people who said that they took the trade. And obviously, we're taking advantage. And guys, we're not just calling out trades. We're talking about the future of money. We're discussing it. We are collaborating, right? We are learning from each other, right? We have some other crypto experts in the chat as well. Austin Dennison, my guy, he does crypto basics every Monday night in-house within Quantum Creations, right? Peter, he does Uniswap and more in-depth and really showing you how to use some of this technology every Tuesday. And then you got myself, every Wednesday night, breaking down the big topics, breaking down the market, what's happened week to week, following some altcoins and Bitcoin and Ethereum. So guys, this community is amazing. I get so much value out of it, and I'm so excited to be with you guys, partnered with you, learning about cryptocurrency, developing an understanding, and of course, taking advantage of this future movement and really putting people onto what is the future of money. So guys, I'm excited. Take care. You guys already know. Buy Bitcoin, short the banks. Peace out.